Hello guys, welcome to this channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple photos or videos in Instagram with just one post. So let's start by opening our Instagram app. So here, we are now in the home page. You just have to click the plus sign icon to post photos. After that, just click this button if you want to post multiple photos in one post. Then, select the photos you want to post. And by the way, the photo that will show up first is labeled as number 1, and the rest will follow accordingly. After your selection of photos, just click the next button. Then, in this section, you can edit your photos here one by one, and you can also add music to your post. Here, you can choose the orientation of your post. You can choose landscape or portrait. Here, you can add text to your post. And by clicking this button, you can adjust the coloration of your photos. And also by clicking this button, you can choose filters here for your photos. Just choose according to your likings. And after you edit your photos, just click next to proceed to the next section. You can write a caption here if you want, and you can also leave that blank. And also in this section, you can add locations, tag people, add music, and other options for more details. And if you're done, just click the share button. And all you need to do is wait until it's finished. Then done. Your photos are now posted in Instagram. If you find this video helpful, feel free to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.